Imagine a bowl of warm curry autumn squash and carrot soup. It's dairy-free, so cozy, and crazy delicious. What is the best squash to use for winter squash soup? Do a taste test experiment to find which taste and texture you like the best. First, we're going to warm some oil in a Dutch oven. Once it's hot, we're going to add the onion. We're going to bloom the curry paste simply by adding it to the hot oil. Then we're going to add the cooked squash, carrots, some apple cider for the broth, and then let it simmer. Now we're going to do a little bit of pureeing. Add the coconut milk. And now it's time to taste and season it. I like to make a little bit of cheese toast to put on top. Leftover soup? No problem. Think about adding coconut rice or meatballs. That's one of the best ways to stretch a meal's leftovers, bringing a fantastic new dish to the table without much effort. Find all these variations on Our Table for Two.